In a major legal twist, the Illinois Supreme Court has overturned actor, singer, and songwriter Jussie Smollett's conviction for lying about a 2019 hate crime. On Thursday, the court ruled that the Illinois Supreme Court addressed the state's responsibility to honor agreements made with defendants, stating, "It is fundamentally unfair to allow prosecution to renege on a deal with the defendant when the defendant has relied on the agreement to its detriment." Special Prosecutor Dan K. Webb also released a statement after the Illinois Supreme Court overturned Jussie Smollett's conviction and sentence. He pointed to a non-prosecution agreement the Cook County State's Attorney's Office made with Smollett 5 months before Webb was appointed. "We are disappointed in the Illinois Supreme Court's decision today to overturn Jussie Smollett's conviction and sentence, including the award of over $120,000 in restitution to the city of Chicago for its overtime expenses in investigating Mr. Smollett's fake hate crime. We respectfully disagree with the court's factual and legal reasoning, which upends long-standing Illinois precedent." As many recall, the former Empire actor was found guilty in 2021 for faking a racist and homophobic attack. At that time, Smollett alleged that 2 men attacked him, hurling racial and homophobic slurs and placing a noose around his neck. This led to an extensive search for suspects by Chicago police detectives and sparked an international uproar. In December of 2021, a jury found Smollett guilty on 5 out of 6 felony counts of disorderly conduct for filing a false police report and lying to police, who spent over $130,000 investigating his claims. He was sentenced to 150 days in county jail, ordered to pay $120,000 in restitution to the city of Chicago, fined $25,000, and given 30 months of felony probation. The case was reopened in June 2019 when a Cook County judge appointed a special prosecutor to review the decision to dismiss all charges against Smollett. As a result, the actor was indicted again in February 2020 on 6 felony counts of disorderly conduct for making false reports to the police. Smollett's lawyer argued this violated his Fifth Amendment rights, as Cook County State's Attorney Kim Fox had initially agreed to drop the charges if Smollett paid $10,000 and did community service. Smollett's attorney, Mark Garagos, also released a statement after the court's decision saying, "Today we resolve a question about the state's responsibility to honor the agreements it makes with defendants. We hold that a second prosecution under these circumstances is a due process violation, and we therefore reverse the defendant's conviction." In its ruling, the Illinois Supreme Court referenced the Bill Cosby case in Pennsylvania, highlighting that while society has a strong interest in prosecuting crimes, this interest cannot override the constitutional rights of individuals, and the remedy for constitutional violation must take precedence over the pursuit of prosecution.